Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I am super excited for today's video because I saw this trend on Facebook where everyone does Bella Hadid slash Foxy eye makeup. I always used to know that this makeup style was called more of a cat eye look, but it's more diffused. It's more like more more stretched out than maybe cat eye look. So that's what I'm gonna do today, and I hope we're gonna end up with some good results because I have no idea how it will come up. Guys, as you already know, I have the most roundiest like roundy eyes, so I have to make sure that my hooded eyes, my round eyes are more snatched, more uplifted, and basically you're kind of changing the structure of your face, structure of your bones. There is a certain way of putting bronzer, putting blush, putting highlighter. If in natural makeup I'm doing in a different way, in this case I'm kind of pulling everything as much far as I can do. So yeah, let's get started and let's see how it goes. So the first thing what I want to do is just taking, Huda Beauty. It's my loved one. So I'm just taking Huda Beauty powder and I'm just kind of set everything together. I'm just setting the concealer that I just used. I have my base on, but just because I did not want to waste time on camera, so to put foundation on, so I just put foundation and a little bit of bronzer so I would not be too much washed out. So anyway, so what I want to do is just kind of making this part of my eye very light, very diffused, very like bright, like in order to have some more whitish tone, like creamish tones, and then you can go and just do the all the shebang with outside corner. And also one more thing is I'm not using eyelashes. I have seen so many videos and everyone using eyelashes, and I just kind of want to not use them because I'm all about making my eyes, making my eye shape work as much as possible. So I think I will just go without eyelashes. Guys, I have to say that this might not go the way everyone does, but this is my way. So basically what I do, I'm just taking this tape, whatever it is, and I'll just press it like diagonally, and I make sure that it's pressed nicely because this gonna be the way of outer edge, and this gonna be the the line that we want to make sure that it's very sharp, very nice and everything, and everything else on top of it will be very diffused and very like basically it has to be very very snatched. So I'm just patting this and I'm just making sure that I'm just making sure that I am creating more space into inner corner, okay, and basically everywhere else, because we want very wide, very like snatched kind of a look. So we want as much space as we can have. And also guys, keep watching till the end because you will have a surprise. I mean, I'm gonna do my very first international giveaway, so make sure you're watching till the end so you know all the details of giveaway. Basically what we want to do is creating line on the outer edge, not inside. What I do is, you can see I'm taking a kind of fluffy brush. You can take any fluffy brush, and I'm just focusing on outer corner, like you can see that. So I'm kind of making sure it's line, but it's not so straight. It's more of a diffused line. Thing I like about this Foxy eye makeup is that you can be messy, and you can, you just have to remove the tape at the end of the day. I'm going more of a ritual matte finish, and oh my god, I think I'm going for neutral colors, but let's see. You can always go for some purple. You see, I'm doing very, very close to my eyelash. Very, very close. In the way that whatever I already put whatever the color I put first, it's still there, and I'm just darkening the corner. Just darkening the corner. So once you are kind of done with the base, you see how diffused it is. Like it's not so much very harsh line. So what I want to do is going again with this fluffy brush, okay, and just it's clean brush. So you will just go and just diffuse it more. Then I'm taking pencil brush, and I'm just going to more dark brown, and just making sure that I'm getting a good dark brown. before I go further, I just want to do the eyeliner. So guys, the last step on my eye look will be, angled brush, taking angled brush, putting in any kind of sort of black or black, like dark brown eyeshadow. I'm just using Tati Beauty because that's what I have on my hand right now. So I'm just taking eyeshadow and I'm just going in the corner of my eye, inner corner, and I'm just pressing pigment here. Okay, do not try not to put line on your eyelashes, but inside, because I have round eyes, I have to make sure that it's coming from inside, because otherwise I will have line here and that will give more roundy look on my eyes. Then I'm taking very dense and very small angled brush and making sure that I'm putting in black or in dark brown, any color you would like to have. And again, I'm just pressing here inside, again inside, not on the lash line. So because I don't use eyelashes, false eyelashes, I would like to go big with mascara. Okay, so the trick about mascara is that once you do few coats on your eyelashes, you have to kind of wait for maybe less than 1 minute or so, and then you can go and you can just put more mascara, and it will curl more, it will hold more. And again, after some time, once it's fully dried, you can go with your eyelash curler, and you can just just do few few kind of curling thing, and it will be staying whole day. It's such a great tip. It really helps my eyelashes. Okay, so now we are gonna do the bronzer, and in this case, usually I'm doing bronzer like normally, and I go a little bit up towards my nose. In this case, we want to create shadow where everything is more lifted and more like, again, snatched. So what I'm gonna do is taking my side of my ear and just work and go a little bit harsh on that, because we just want to create the shadow. Okay, next is blush. I'm using Seattle London blush, and I'm doing same like on my bronzer. Okay, and I'm just doing this. I'm going with angled brush. Okay, and I'm just putting, you see, highlighting here. I mean, it's much, just I'm doing it for showing purposes because it will blend. And then I'm taking blush brush and I'm just blending everything all together. Okay guys, so my eyelashes are fully dried. So what I do is I go and I'll just pinch them some more. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. Okay, now you can see. Okay, now this is a different game, right? Because my eyelashes are so much hitting the sky. Okay guys, that was all for today's video, and I hope you liked the look. And this This is huge, a huge difference. Like for me, it's huge difference, and it's just the way you transform your face to be more lifted, to be more snatched, and really, it's too much fun, I must say. So you guys, I told you there would be giveaway in this video, and thank you so much for, watching this video till the end. And I am giving away this beautiful eyeshadow palette. It's a Morphe and Jeffree Star palette, and let me show you how great it looks. It's one of my favorite palette, I must say. It has beautiful shades. You can see that. Ta-da! It's so beautiful. It has the gold, it has green, it has purple, it has neutral colors, it has black, it has this beautiful silver, beautiful like pinkish diamond color. It's really beautiful. In order to participate in this international giveaway, guys, you have to make sure that you're subscribed to my YouTube channel and you're following me on Instagram. Comment down below what is your eyeshadow palette that you cannot live without. Thank you so much for hanging out, and thank you for watching my videos. Thank you for commenting on them, because it really helps to my channel. And stay safe, please, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.